So let me just show you how easy you can build this pike float, that you can suspend it or use it on the bottom. And for that I'm just gonna use a mock line here. This is a braid. This is a 0.19 millimeters Savage Gear silencer braid, and you'll start with either a stop knot or a very small bead. That's kind of choose to stop your float. Use whatever you want really, and whatever main line you wish. So this is the main line which I have right here. Now on that, first of all, as I have the stop knot there or the bead, I'm going to use the Fox Rage Predator. This is a 50-gram float as a stubby, and just simply put a braid through this hole right there. Comes on this end right now. Now if you wish, you could add a bead right here, and well, that's what I'm going to do now. You could add one or not, it's up to you really, but plastic bead, silicone, whatever, just if you want. Anyway, I'll put one right there. And next you're going to have the Fox Rage Predator, the quick change weights right here. This comes in pack of 3, but you're gonna get one. And just remove this and just insert inside. I'm going to put the braid through this insert right here, and it's going to go through this. It's a bit fiddly, but you can either do that and put the braid through it, hold it and twist it, and push that all the way through. And now on the bottom right here, I'm gonna have this rubber sleeve that's gonna lock this into place. So rubber sleeve right there. So this is easily removed, and you can change the weights with whatever weight you want on this. Now that I have that on, I'm going to put a snap link, so just whatever knot you'd use. Snap link right here. I'm just going to do a quick knot on it. Trim this bit anyway, and that's your knot right there, and your weight. And to lock it right there, pull this through and over the swivel. That's now locked like that into place. Like I said, trim this bit, and at the end of it I'm going to use the trays, the Savage Gear trays that I made. I've also upgraded this. I've added some shrink tubing on the treble side right there, added some shrink tubing on this side as well, on the swivel side, and also I've already mounted the rubber sleeve on the trays. So when you hook your swivel to the snap link right there and lock this into place, slide the rubber sleeve up, and pulling through should cover all that and half of the snap link like that. Obviously, if you want to change, you can use larger sleeves that will cover it all the way up, but I have the medium one. So this is the trace, that's your float right here. Like I said, fish this on the bottom like this, move your float up and then the weight is going to sit on the bottom with the treble like that, or you can move it down and fish like that, suspend it off the floor, whatever weight height you want it. And that's the float. Nice and easy to make, all the components are there. I would think I'll include the larger sleeves for this. I'll do this, you know, also works as it is.